no enti wasi yentutu mrika na yemraja pekrom na eba ordinary be kan ma yaresa etimi ayedia papa number ene da screen so no fa na wona ne ntwetwe nkomo emwa bi esefata no onfa nkamo odi bedomo ama won so no wehwihwi pai won say you obade no eno edini ye fe no 0243356583 na wona no ntwetwe nkomo empo esefata se wo se baby awo no otutu mrika na oba na obeye wadoma osi obeba na obeye ne sa pepepe ede amawo papa no pe yetwa pusi eda wasia ensa michia so no Yankopon enka ho woni wobusia nyina anope Dorifa Vigo Plus phone so aso yasne na yedijumedi ebro doctor se waposo eye wo ya ochika se tutu sebie son sebie nyaado na mu yade abobede wo nipadue no candidiasis deep syphilis gonorrhea etc papa oba ensisan aba himfie ho ba bi ho nam ho se shepe kama wona ni mu akama Usha na tade akama usha ne mpabo ne tinwie ne we ga bei obebo bede no de agu ne tisusi ya odan no ho amotomo na nso no be ma jebre na so bora himfi ho no ma na watwe break mesrewada obai mesrew e ma be menra ho na ontwe break eyesa wonum nyam swati o class na swati meso so no Dorifa Vigo Plus e ho be yesi akono kama na nanom be breaki ifi ena ne china ekono break na Christmas break na eni yiwu mo nti wo mo be amba be ji o ma home eye ni ji na jebre no beba wakachi ana so beba agoprama no so na fe eho akoye bibia ewo ho a enye nika jebre na no Dorifa Vigo Plus available in all pharmaceutical shops around you. Have a shop be at room no one sa Ebeka Dorifa Vigo Plus CB empo wontimi pharmacy shop bia na won konkota doctor say free number na eda screen no so no baby a wo bia no se wo so e delivery e de mawa obeye ne sa e de mawa ama won so no wani agi adwuma komienu we na ene wo masomi mu ama yedi dwumedi ebro one more time we live Facebook Koowaa TV GH live on YouTube Koowaa TV Some Darkos initiative Some Darkos TV so no you stream live subscribe to your channel na like your page na comment na share na afofron so enye bi and share latter part of the show say the die no ye baby ahomachofo no e dia tum e dia mawo ama won so no enkoma ye bedi no won so de wadwen kire e dia ba by calling us on phone of course numbers no beto screen so na wafa short ho save to phone so ye be lines na won so wafre no wadi enkomo no ebi anope Ghana enkomo e ba bedi no very simple as ABCD you know assemblyman for elections na was saying ke so no enrechi elections because of bruha nkete EC mistakes nkete for nkete obi din ba sebie son sebie nyaado obi die ma obi picture ba obi picture ma obi e was order number 1 and order number 5 any adiade e won sem no ekoye deja eno nam so e ma areas bebre ya nto aba no omutu hye eye ene ena womo ebeto aba no enti ye behwe matters arise and ye bekoso ene de enkoso nyina no ye behwe afi ya the review ye sha afi nyina his excellence na dan kwakufado eye na ban kese abesi abenya kese so Ghana high bu man ene chese no ma womo ye de eboa Ghana timamufo ena afi no de omo ye ya eno nso enye ema Ghana enkrofo ekasa bebre e de fa ho ene ye behwe ni nyina ne asabisa se e de na omo ya 2024 timamufo ye ho be hare de omo ye ya enye anu kwan sebie son sebie nyaato wo moto aso eye se na be ya Ghana ye be fa yentima pa e de fra san komo we ene na no pay minima bedwafo e betina se ne abobo ho ya bedi san komo no won so betime de wadwen kire de aba via our comment section on Facebook. Drop them there and I'll read all of them for you this morning on the show. Well, tell a friend said Diane and then Abidja for a Sinkonya and to be part of the conversation, and of course I read them for you. Bibi, good morning to you, whoever that you are. Kelly, good morning. Of course, my main Kotano so Minchana Nayao and Ebusiafua Eguhuna Mamunina Fish Yapa Die Mupi Kesiepa. odi for we for ba Samson kwaku ye bo anopa mi chia obiom echa obiom ukachire pc anopa matna se mi chia papa no am se me frɛ wo line no adum papa me ntia se me frɛ wa mi nyawo e de na ekoso okay minim se waka se me line so minum no ene area ho na enya papa ne ma wo phone no embe won ma frɛ wa me mo official pa na mako break enti me so me frɛ wa ma wo phone embe ogina baby a me nyawo obajina baby a me nyawo na me frɛ wa amate won me no kasa ye ache yi pa nta no pe me mo official pa biom dori fa fo nse ma mo official pa me kro mo nzema fo a mo hwe ya no pe metinaze na manganzema ane me ne ba ni bu because mkranke bo nka me smelling me vi adon abo mo ti adon abo amamu abele ne show yi nwro mo biza be mu aba hyen axim brofo ama no kum biza aba hyen ti kobo number 1 number 2 kikam eziema no chi benyina ma kania papa vi biza be mu aba hyen nyamle ojirabe ankle hyen possible no ngban ma ngomo biza aba hyen axim brofo wlati bukusu no ngban ma ezam biza bioko nyamle ojirabe misemle smelling mo ti nyame tena azi ankreka me kan zaman na bo nkan gba smelly fio okay muko fancy for so me checho na say si won then aunt won ya me chewo nyina wo boase mrante hine dani boy me chia mu nyina wo boase nyame onhya bra kwaku America me chia mo sanso opam boy papa ma chen prophet na kwa mo she ma chen osofo pani kese prophet ego prophet afishapa nyame insha munyina afishapa be ma mo dozens along the line sanso na akwa mo she mi twa pese wate won paibo wo bambo nyame insha no pe ene me ma me Anita Hotel so me chia wa no pe baby a wo bia bom so hima mama hu se na me ye me ho chia o bom so hima mama machin nyame shraw onye akoma so ade ma feel mebe fie bronya we de mebe fie bom so hema na mi sha papa na onso won kwanem na ban boa hema yoko hema o sa kusu ami hwa no pay mame anope mi cha papa nyakopo onso won kwanem enokate mi so wa ye busy anope na mpesem no kasa so wenti mi ne mi ankasa mi cha wati o batampa mame Cecilia okismiti muso mi cha munyina ma munyina afisha pa motivation pay me dey mount is as simple as the ABCD. Midaso ejina say cut your coat according to your size and know how to talk. It is 2 in 1. Cut your coat according to your size. Cut your coat according to your size. Na shawano. When say ni abekasa. Wo hwe say ni de wo no wo ye content to it no. Na wo hwe wo kasemu yi. Ya no manity to ye kasa ma kasa and am de bronya ide and de me kru de amame na de me boy ide and am me friend na ye say ma kasa dodo and am person ka me to we 2000 me to 3000 and then one be de bronya na ye den obi anya kakra bi ama waso musa na ko anu tum onya bi ma wa me se wo de dada no use na sa throughout this month. My example at show, me de me ho si ho I example at show. I say old dresses at show. Intade dada, tade am share my shopping, my shining in at show throughout the month. At show say, dear one and two, when you be any competition, inti she. We give him a gumi to see. What I hear me, me shepa media. And you be dear. Inti, Messa shining in her. It is mine. Timinko to mu, and I'm a top papa a day. Say can person me to go and come to synthetic and then me and come at wogu. Nenso me to papa preku. You got to wait 1,000 Ghana, 800 Ghana, 700 Ghana. Na me wia me see wa wuti fia wo hwe me a wo be kan me no moment me wia akusan makoto egu for the oil. I will still wear them. I will try repeat because they are mine. Dwene wo ho na de wo no ka wanu tum na be content. Okay? Dem work at rewa no. De okun be nyama na fa ne sa. Wanya bia ma wo mpa afia, afi na to nkwa no mo wani nye. Afi foforo onya bi ma wa wasom. Onya bi nso ma wa ka wanu tum di ne sa. Na hu no kasa. Kofo bebre kasa enye nti ye boyfriend se hweyen. Hweyen ma me no mo hweyen. O ma me o. Wo mo do bronya once or bekoda and bronya they were sure. Now me cry tell wo mume. Say na only me tie no na mehwe so ne wa react. Wuti fie kase m kra na wote a. Ha be relate no sa na no be relate. But I say enti hono kasa. Oba yakopon onka ho. So be ne be ede amame. Na me shraw. And I no pay me question for the day. Maybe say say when you so di ne bronya na. When you biti fie a e wo so di ne bronya na afia so. I was say chenchene twan say I was so di ne bronya nipa na ne tifie no woni ni na ne high dan ana wako high ne dan ana wo fie wura ana se den chenchene twan say ma be high wo dan ti afi so say me du bronya na chenchene twan say no na tifie no ye free nti bronya so whether I have it or not I will say me do bronya ana ene no kwesa me bi sa wa no pay me bi me lines na to me dia ma say frame me na won so kire wa adwen ana say me no tifie afi ne kama na no nche se chinchine twan e wo se me ma gifts ana eno ena me be lines not the amount MCR4 and family lines no to screen no so na frame me na ye nche ya 0202668461 0202 668461 frame me be saw me no tifie no e wo se me do bronya e wo se me chawade ana se man chawade mpo a relationship no good a me mo afisha pa me ma no wo hyewa na se no ano no ne ekoye nim ana wo se me wo show me fiera wo se me ma parcel ma be ha store wo se ma parcel ana oh my god, that's what I'm asking you this morning wherever that you are. Anti-frame na yekoye nim anope 22 minutes after 6 a.m. I have a couple of messages here. This is from a Mbrante Hine Danibo inside of watching live from Obuasi and Mbrante Hine Clothing Hosi Park and Mowo Micha Munina Nyakopon in Sham. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me bacho, what to say?
Batanya Nyakopon Ishram.
Ushaw, Safi Shapaya no man is so kakra mame. Why am the neka say?
I tell you, friend, you see from Casasi Obuasi.
Obuasi Boko. Pacho,
that's all I was. Yeah. But all day was a more good honor as my money. Now, only obiti say you feel say you are down for, say you are doing. Let's say, I feel so. It depends how only parity of your obi on ma wa fa ne senior and as if you be on ma wa fa ne say o ma me and as o papa say do ti bia no fa no say o ma me and as o para say pa ogu e ma no it is afia so that's when the big card commander gbibia fruitrim fa odo ene die na from no it is ono kra obi bi kra adwin bi ko ni trema say the person might be time if you are saying not here, and that's another time class not a 12 and the other who flew. It's all through a crowd. I be do you know, Afibia no better. Okay. The phone says Nipanaso, the same sort of saying, said Tibiano, or the access on do I want to meet me? No, I am. No, I am. All right, Nyami Shaw Papa also beat me afraid. Now was watch the wagin. As we say, would you be fear? Good, important say was say we didn't bring and answer watching a parcel and answer what do I know wishing that. That's all. We'll be on so I don't see you. We'll be alcohol if you cannot buy necra. We'll be alcohol so back crowd woman. We'll be alcohol so back crowd question them. We'll be all cry like compare when she has. So, how can I dash you? Baby, sir. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Prophet Martin, what to
say? Martin, but a real pan, or by my way.
Yakopado, Miss Moya Pie, one or pay.
But so the little man is a year effort, but a way so, or simply maybe 3 arguments. When you know what's in the always should not shower effort, but there were home, not only yet the Arabian. When you one more, one no car, and your dog. So you say because really penny be Philippines. When you number this son, is really okay. Okay. But for the mower, ɛyɛ ebi si wɔ no ma na no show a ɛfɛ no for don try was in game when you bye bye
on so prophet nyame nka ho enyo hye me wa me de be ma me ni susu a eno so de na me yi mani obi bisa me say na nipa no so no onye fine so abeye ne de wo no onye fine you can just decide not to give me anything ade wo mpeme nchi a wo mpeme ni ma hwe wo be kasa me ho ade se bosume so me mo bi a bosume so no be kasa ho a na se bi a no water bill aba and light bill aba na wache eno de wo ba ko be twen na wache a hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Okay, Umpacho din baby a friend me free. All right. Now they ain't one of pay.
Obi okoro we ni tifi. But if you are not to be, but if you are to come match and that be for now we na me buofu. And then the part is not to be the make no case me man. But as on the papa be here. Papa na be na e should be the man that
sir.
What you need to be no mo tifi. Even though we are of na me message to aba. Oba ya ma the bad in buofu. E be na we let papa no go attach to go and tell you.
All right. And one of can say will be tested brema how or see a nipa no cry no mbekasa no cry no we who say me back cry just said ne on him be and be dem busum sorry afeso mache na de I cannot doubt my landlord or my landlady because sometimes it looks like I am his rival, so I don't feel like dashing her anything we nyina obi abe how that no ye wochi e wo ho obi o kra na say obekasa ho me obi am say just bosom so eno ne nsuo na so obeka cho say water bill eno do be face wo abe che onu kra be di ka abe chia o se wo bo be twen good morning pa cho water bill na ba wo na so de be ma no no entu se nipa ni be hia wa na otim so obeka water bill asem wi asa na this person say ye me ma kosi ameti how can I dash you me kra me say oba me yi mani because me feel me hwe wanim you see very bad enti ne ofie no de ma higher de na wada wade emu ana depending on the nipa no abeti na ofie ho no ana sede nipa no abeti ofie ho na hu na ne ho ye wachi ana ne bibi o bi ana sede ana ne personality bi ana de enye so enipa ye nyina so sorry a na ye tete sorry dem. So when we see all these things, about some crofocas or we in super way to educate say no afa Bible na ohoko. We share say na say Nyankopon ye ha no you see enti ye bisa. Oni obi tifi a e o hye ana say necessary say afia so. Me fie ra nipa am ne free. I was say me cha ade ana. Me landlord, me landlady, my friend. We ni nti ye da bi odi mi nko konsa me da ba nchen. Ti afia so me nja bibia say okay fine. Enyewe me no nya aka me hu di a metimi anyama good morning but there should be a gap, you understand no and I say enyewe wa high ni dan de na me kwa say akrampa me tam so am ntana obi na no antima system no manam so fa dan e dan na system bi nkofo si bebrebe yesu yesi bi yewie ti yewie na say ya na yakwakwota ye de you see obi say no obi beka ti mesra wo say na no nkofo be will it very important, very very important. Very important because then we bet no feed no that you could send baby what would you do? We could send a better into mystery. So yeah, it's in Kofu Kofu better you fee, ye mamma and ma, ye no be a beha high down with fee, you know no man money my beha mufia, a yada mufi say ye new biano. Sebi, mo be sheni ye. Send ye being na be sent she baby for na ye nije. Any kai me share me feel be am tell you me just I go to me super papa and am say that I may call my touch me call me ako me say that me dwuma me hawa nti me call o say nti wo call na say wo ka me say that be me call na no be me share na traffic me gina papa ye gina na oh no di me kan water me stay tebe from call for her sa na me so me hagra me say to be ka say papa na again wo share. In fact, it was all fun. Because I also obi a watu afi be shower ha go da now. Obi tu afi ufie and I also be too my ufie re hu aka say, "Oh lady we not me fie ana." Woni in internet say, "Nyame shroud now onye wokesie." Think about it, okay? Think about it. Na you live nicely with people. Send a beya. Me see shisha na yakọ. Woni obi wa adwuma muntemu to say no be diagro montamo to say konkonsanko a ahoyanko a muhia mo be den bro no so send na relationship etie yakopon ka ho dwendwen ho wo mpem wuti dem ho no say bi wo say na wuti aye kondo wuti kwayo dudu say ene de ge yi kama say mo medie wo akosu amete me so medie wo minim sa won so wo die wo enti won so fa wo de na ye ho ade na emoye nyina pate na ya na ehadwe nipa dwuma nipa asetena edin na so hu ne ya de bia wo be yi free ya mana me de kana so o za ko sia sister we me friend am sister den he say person cha bi ma ne mi hu na me twa wa ko je bia the lady obetem fia na o chia me say on chia me bi wo ye den o ti fia so kra wonte so munim cha bi mu sister ba na ordinate kwa sister ne sa ko sia brawe oye fumi cha ne bi enye yakopon so pesa wa nipa kra na so wan cha ne bi mu a okobeka se do humi on chia me humi na wayi nani na wo wada ne wachi nto mafre wati ko na nchia. Why do we do this? All right, yeti ye ho for kakra and I no pen come ye be for adventure bra you live on Facebook come on with TVGH, live on YouTube come on with TV some darkos initiative some darkos TV and you streaming live and subscribe to your channel no na like your page no na comment na share na afofron so enye bi enhye ankomoi aye be dey say assemblyman for the electoral me fan say assemblyman for elections and e beto na na no en fo be mi ru ntemu ni no buha ha bibre esisi ye otimu hu say obi picture ba obi dimba obi picture ma obi also da number 2 a on na ho na copy number 10 they also da number 3 na copy number 5 any atia and am so me USB bibre and to aba no yitu she eye ne ehon sem etisen yi sa ko face the same mistakes na isi ni bium ana say for now you expect say enedie bebia area bia ebitimi ato aba no ama na beye kama now you say ebisa ye on the review ye share aban no ne modern bo bebia of fall short e normal aban ne ye asebie so sebie nyaado wanya ade wo ho bebi nsusu a oya ade nsusu no eno nsusu no ye bebo na baso na ya hwe bebia ade oya ya matemamufo sebie so sebie nyaado wo mani anye ho ede obre ene amane ede bre me ye kasa bebre no 2024 yikurem no de o se ka kira ban se on correct ho na on hye mu kena na onye si ne ho hare no eno ho komo ena yebidi na no pe Dr. E. Morrison ajina edwa wajine suit kama looking all handsome ma menko na menko mana kwa abase ni omiemi ani phone so no na yemfa ko Dr. Good morning. Now what to say if you boko everything for you now you have to chapa I think say need any shade they just say you could do nah I know you are from Brian.
Wakona me said so say there after me dey ka I was a bit more
never do Brian by I'm starting when say movie am from Brian because me ko jema home e break a crane and what it me kakra
atete de de kra eja
what is it me kakra enti no me jumbo ya de answer mako
Obika is part of the we find it occupational hazard
absolutely
absolutely we find it eja but I think all said and done has been good.
Yes.
So we were handling very excellently.
Thank you.
In spite of challenges.
Thank you.
Yedima will show you so. My good self make a home be. Atini. Yedima one of parts you am Crawforda. Away no sorry na. Would the breaker eba near the Basum Ghana my what you for who don't know for who don't. So you cry a bad and fine say once occasionally in the you feel impact no, but all the regularly on daily basis you are here. And so for God and country I believe say why you are there.
That's
TF1 apefo. That was it. It's been good, Ohima. It's been good.
Amen. Amen. So far, so good. Now, no, assemblyman for elections, no. It's in Bibre 1212 wins, you know. Ama one more area be brain to me. So, Oma Bano, more to share a yene, and I be brain now, no, a beto. Na, Mr. say, what do you expect from Easter today?
Well, what should we expect? Honestly, before God and man, I did see Nano Ebnadano. No question, they say, I'm paying it. And it shouldn't have happened because Electoral Commission, easy, munya 4 solid years, and I'm going to plan is about 2 years because Muamunim say every 4 years, be an abasaba we say, yeah, two. And we say the year 2023, they know very well, sir, in 2027, you better start to abandon for. And so you have 4 solid years. Who will feel 9 would be planning the next election. In fear 9, what they are planning about what they are planning election. Now say on the day of elections, no, you who say any man we say beer. They die and I'm say and pay because even Crampo no here say about one crank and maswa and can me gidi say a dear bechami at Tuabano. And Kawasa Mumbi who say, Abia, because of ABC or XYZ reasons in Tino. Very good. So now affected areas no be sorry no will be and as will be sorry now or baby qua no idea or. But it's quite unfortunate, sir. Could you believe, sir, on Tuesday, no, I was waiting, sir, met to my bands and my PA office. Now, me up to 10 a.m. and sana minya information, sir. About one Emma so wasted time. So imagine government of Ghana through Ghana Education Service Emma holidays and kwala fee because of about 220. And across the country from Accra to Alwale to Bogatanga
to Kumasi
baby Ghana fanana school for fee say Fantuaba. And because of the incompetence of Jean Mensah, Francis Bosman, and Omombo Nichidomutino. Sa holiday ya kwala fee ya wasn't can Ghana kwala kusuade already no say because of COVID na eba mu no you need to know academic calendar no are very congested. Pressure wo academic calendar no so pa entinu omu hia mre a omu de be cover omu syllabus no before the end of the term. Jo already no omu ni bre. Na ya san sinkola ne santena fie bi because of abato we na chese ehu aban no hu se abato no so hu hia pa. Na electoral commission we antimi antoto niema am yentimi anto aba. Affected communities say me electoral area e kan ho bi. Intimity I say o hima menyanto maba wo.
Wow.
Menyanto maba.
Maybe I just say na obetimi afa so.
So a lot of inconvenience me your pon program is so I was a bia ka me call office and I say me call your adwuma. This say me sample electoral area. Ko sunlight they do me so amatoaba. So all because of the incompetence of one person. And I believe say going forward no you know him say na me aduma next year December 7th yebetoaba the EC should learn from what has happened this year.
Great.
Because said we see we a few ways say sabi we have less than 1 year. Bani beto no 7th December and then 21st.
Yeah.
And I'm
21st.
21st.
Yeah.
Very good. And so we have less than 1 year to the general elections, presidential and parliamentary elections.
Sure.
Electoral Commission should up its game. Womu sorry transit. No muntu to omoniema yi. Because abatu ya ye kwakoto en Ghana fu ani abre pa. Awon fo him Ghana fu ani abre. Sa asa agudie wo ma me nani so ne Dr. Francis Bosman. Obi anga kuta doctorate degree ya for doctor de ka mi gidi se sebi o ka obatutu niema yi. But the nothing shows that there is somebody competent there running the Electoral Commission of Ghana. And he ADSC no. Say them di kan kan yo no. Wo mfa nya sua de. Na going forward no 2024 general presidential and parliamentary general elections na ye ko. Wo mo tutu niema yi. unim say ohima say obekaya 2020 general elections I call you know. The same thing omo the people of Saw anti-me representation in parliament. At the end of the day, no, omo those communities, no, anti-me anto abanibi. Till date, I hear the next general elections. People of Saw anti-me anto abanibi. That is the very first time I Ghana yabako semu bibi say AC. Say ekoto abako yi mampani, ako yi mrashe bedwafo. Na nkrofo ko bi ewo from antema na as voter region there. Bibi ntino, enye omo fom so o. Enye omo fom so. Nemu electoral commission ya ye kan o masem yi omo incompetence ntino omo de omo ndi ye se omo to abane bia eyeye ni se die ntia je se yentimi hu so omo wo sa constituency we and as omo wo the newly created constituency anti ohima the electoral commission tell the medical can must up its game. They should set up.
Is not getting. That's why she to expectations.
To be honest with you, from where I sit, it will be very difficult for me to say because of ABC but what I know is say in terms of logistics, my budget are more requesting now through parliament approval mamo.
Okay.
What I say? See, you be here says Kawi, Eddie, you be here says Kawi, you be here says Kawi, you see. Parliament approve says Canada mom. Finance ministry so I release says Canada mom. And based on the debate in with my abayes and the matroka say they are Canada for. So they don't have an excuse. Look, excuse beyond one more would beat media bar. A bit my watches are a day we see. Every one will say because of ABC XYZ it's in the anti-man. Or you might say even Crambo say about who is all money here. Even notice of pool. I am with the Bible here. Say, on this so and so date, better aba. So, more multi hand say, be a hand school number of to Modi. More hand say, has a number of to we more Mujina, no, most I had no more print to my near the Babu Bonti advantage points. So, no, be a no, okay, as some message now, or that say, as message now, or that say. So, Sadiana, especially. Me area my own biasa. What is this electoral commission taking Ghanaians for? So electoral commission adwuma was omoye. Omo anye say NCC National Commission for Civic Education am hu so omote me bibi kakra. But say electoral commission kaza pa say ombe notice of pool, serious notice of pool. So mag a ginger Ghana for hu say ye ba beto aba. Ma hu biasa anything hwe ya aba na ye to no Tuesday na and participation was extremely low. Very, very, very low. So Ghana for I see who shares about to win. I was from people be brain now just say I say interest no cry ni hon. Well, I wouldn't say so, but once a Juma was an electoral commission here. Now every put up enthusiasm. So am I Ghana for about to Brenner Drew.
Okay.
I was saying me obi obey my assemblyman and assembly woman obi obey me unit committee member ni ade no say education no amba hia be kra na hu hia se me kwoto abama obi be assemblyman e ma me because obi wo no krampo na woni mfaso ayere e wo sa abato no so before God the man a lot of people, a lot of Ghanaians Ghana for be bring mfaso wo sa abato no so say onko se na daje on da na adwuma to ho onko salary so okoto abayi unit committee members ni district assembly members and assembly member e woni area oni mfaso e beba so amana na say ni community na wo mu no oni mfaso e beba so amano enti no hunu say ehun hia
me waste me time
very good wo say nimre wo say na daje wo koye na adwuma so enti na sa notice of pool e amedi kan ho say me nke hu hia pa say electoral commission no intensify campaign no say about to here you to ehun hia pa because this is the local level we can friend say governance at the local level.
Okay.
So
yeah,
otu abama MP say bi okon kran yo ube hu na MP bo ho nko ube hu na age afi no hu once pe obi ho nko ube hu no ube say hu no bi mu a obi kan age next 4 years. I can't put you me MPS yama. I'm a boni din wa haze. Oh, you're two Abama no 2020. Me wuni biem.
O ma akromo.
Oh, and I'm so me wuni biem.
O say bia oba, but you don't see him.
Yes, see. In so to ya na manhu a. Azo to ya na manti ade chen so anka manhu for. So so oba na manhu na say bi onke be ka mamate. So you're two Abama no 2020 enu anu woko. But district level elections we to Abama assemblyman one na na ti ho no. So what you say? Very good problems are muna munya oni muna ti ho no a ono so na mu bi. Unya problem you can just walk to him or her. What you say? No what can wo ha no da dwan ye there. Actually no. Oni ba bia akọ enti you have access to the person 24/7. And ono so be gym problems no so ohwe na ono so ntimi handle no de call assembly district assembly and as a municipal assembly ho.
Yeah.
So and as a metropolitan assembly depending on baby wherever you find yourself. So by so doing, you know, your problems get to me find say people in authority and as at the highest level there.
Sure.
So and say who here pass about to who here and a unit committee for no so almost bua ma emra asabi emra assembly for no emra ne bylaws no omo na make sure say ye adwuma e wo mompotam ho no. So yen jai potam ho fi ye jai ponchi ni nwan ne nam ne sese microphone ne ma ha unit committee for make sure say wo chi abo ne bi afa no come unit committee for ye be fra abo ne wura ye ne bedi say dem ran tie. So ho de me kire no. Aha. And so I mean, a very, very, very electoral process. I was say, in electoral commission for educated Ghanaians, almost sensitized Ghana for near who here see idea who shares about to bet. Uncle Banisa, even Crampon, Uncle Banisa Crampon, Mimi who is almost serious. Either they are not serious or they are grossly incompetent. Because you have 4 years, so the plan is about to. I'm in fear now. Na se fie na ni dru ya wo se ye wo baby wo ho no so many electoral areas in the Ashanti region and eastern regions muntimi nto abane due to logistical constraints. Look at this flimsy excuse of by logistical constraints.
That's why I was asking, say, does it mean, say, the government is not providing what's the necessary things for them to, you know, work with?
Lady Diane, that is a lie from the deepest pit of hell. It is a lie. Budget be say be here it has been approved by parliament. The funds have been released to the Ministry of
maybe sooner you say every logistics that they need has been provided for them, but that's not how it is.
You see, then they should come out and let us know, so that we all come on board to see how we can solve that problem. Because we don't want it to repeat
itself
in the general elections in 2024.
Okay.
Because it could bring our nation down. Because the moment some of these things happen, people read a lot of meanings into a lot of things.
As I'm confused to say, hey, any elections
exactly. Yes, because already people are suspicious that this EC has put in place a grand rigging machine. There's a grand scheme in place.
I don't think so.
That's what people. That's the rumor. That's the suspicion.
That's what people are thinking.
Exactly. That's the suspicion, or that's the rumor that there's a grand scheme in place to rig the elections for the NPP. But yes, and so they shouldn't give room for some of these things to manifest.
Okay.
What you say? Because already suspicion.
Okay.
So the moment some of these things happen, no, people will begin to read meanings into it. People will then begin to say, so, no, we will not sit down and allow the elections to be rigged like it did in 2020.
But so you think the elections was rigged in 2020?
Oh,
absolutely no.
There were a lot of issues with that election.
But
that's why we ended up in court.
But seriously,
and unanimous FC decided that we didn't have a case. But we know we had rock solid evidence to suggest that the 2020 elections free and fair. The evidence was there. It was blaring.
Has elections in Ghana be free and fair? Has it been thought, even with your administration?
Of course. With your
administration has been fair.
What you say with my administration is that I mean the office or chef exactly. So when the NDC was in power, Lady Diana.
Rather one now, mommy record cover na yemura insemno.
Oh, no late come or late, yeah, man, and trouble. You want to make a grass.
But since he has come, let me just welcome him real quick. Quenchy, Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the PP Miracle. I want to say, oh, what I know. Ade actually na fe na kwa pra mama betumu nim doctor no we di nature say endika nko a obaye nso no serious show afun ma enti mesra wo wie a bronya de na ade ama me enkasa because you be break enti no me hu ana e kodi bronya ba enti we wi afa bronya de ma
ebe naji Miss Majimidi.
Doctor, what is your boom?
One person obey no the guy come. Hey, why for the bigger come here? And you want to be
so now corner catchy. That's fine, that's fine. Doctor, so far so good. Yeah, but what about tone common? We're talking about the fact say a unit committee and assemblyman for elections now it was a 2 days ago. Some little problems. My main kind of little bro easy no you to share ene no areas be bria wo montimi anto aba no wo mo beto aba ene no what are you expecting?
Then my menda was na menchia obi na menchia anyo ma jebre ehwe omo mo hwe wo mo TV ti ni omo hwe wo social media mo mo nyina achi mo mo afenshi apa na afen so my brothers me man no afenshi apa mana san se afen ko na wi
sa
na yada ya hwefo so ase
sa
so mo ya tena ma afen no akwasa abetu ye
exactly
ebia na nya kwanya na kwa nya kwanya bi no mihia afi no mihia je sa afeda nti ene e mo afenshi apa na yesese obia Christmas no enkojo na omundi no wo asuminu so rade mo obia ho bai ma afi no sanko metu da ma mcha me page mpanifo ma mpanifo nyina afi chapa sanse afi no ne ma bibre na ha MPP ne abai ba afi kwa de eyese afi etwam tinyina no ayaseda na afi nso ya hunse ne ma nso efefe sene mampani ka che ne se on de sabi so che Ghana ma ebewu a omemo abankwa mu de na de obetima ye na mu made a on na pamfo betima ne se sika 70 sre procedure mun kwa fa so betima hwama ye manager na so ampa all indications show say sika 7 Menchia National Executive.
Okay.
General Secretary.
All right.
National Organizer.
Great.
National Chairman.
Great.
National Communication Director na Chief Downfall na mumu na official pa. Na afi me nko me regional executive mumu na official pa. Constituency executive mumu na official pa. Police station executive mumu na official pa. And we say afi dwuma di omudi ye no na eso or how can say about decisions akasie mi na omo eteki en kachi na me adom so a January and February decision akasie so e wo ho mesa ateki biom jina mesa mpa ba ma o
okay
say ready nyo omadom
okay
na omo decision be taking no leaders o be your man no enko yo mo honim na enye de amanfo no epewo abetimi abo party nganko because 2024 is a critical year ma MPP zaze ani a fast match we ho so say break 8 say betima break 8 na ejina ye leaders be you ene ya ho keka deliver 2024
okay
let me at the break 8
is it about leaders or is it about your work that you would do as a government?
Oh sir adwuma na ye dia na say leaders man to ne ma yi a
great
entimi enye possible entina me kan sa we say an say wo hwe 2020 election nneɛma bebree deɛ mɛ elusu seat bebree ne yɛ wɔntwe ba premise
okay
no anyina aka ho na ma elusu na sɛ deɛ area baba bi bɔ mpa dan na sɛ nya hang parliament no wɔnya opportunity at the speaker no sɛ 2024 deɛ emasa nti za ne da yɛ so no ebe to nsuo electoral commission this is not the first time sa how omanya
okay
but ebe stress mo hwe mo tutu mo toto mo nyama yie na me hu ni say seriousness a omudi wura general election enye na omudi wura assembly election enti na ama sa nyama yie na
adi enti na
so
fa sa de no rem
eno ne na mo
all right
so obeka ya 2014 the same thing happened ebra na area afraja na exit no ne share to say mu eba mu so assembly election here the same thing e koye to we kwa dey say vanze 2 days period eno kwa dey it me to be ye to ya 2 weeks na em say the to aba no ewie mo say we mu to even kro ba akokra me kro mbodomase ye o 3 electoral areas mo say na polling station bi to electoral area bi to na polling station ko na ba bi kwa ni hono ma ene mani ho no mo calling off sa na mututu sheda to say 2 weeks time o mutimi tutu ba bi ewie ana no me ko to ma ba me hu bibi ana ma me gina so America electoral commission seriousness of the wura assembly election yes ana omudi wura omudi wura offense general elections yes ana omudi wura assembly election because me call police station na me ko to ma ba na at normally na I was say yes set up or hono enye obi a o titi papers
okay
enye obi a wo hwe register
okay
enye obi a wo your offense what verification machine ya also omunye obi a ono nso eyo
okay
ema offense unit committee nso what it unit committee nso
okay so you see ya do titi unit committee for people ya do titi assemblyman so all right I guess
because ufri ha oje assembly we nya to wi a na wo ko akwaje unit committee nso de no ato but at least omanya kwa nti say on to mo nya be nipa 5 and 6 kwa almost center bia
all right
but really na center nipa ho ye 3 2 na yes a nipa we nyina adwuma ansa na omo PO presiding officer also ho aka no kwa no per omo concept nye na say say o yes ani but on ACK overall offense and as on hwe entire
the whole abattoir also
entire police station
okay
I said be ya bibi ba ho no beti obe put things in order nti eno na ma make say omo seriousness omo very yes I know omo because nipa also omo high omo no mo adwuma no omo high sa nipa nti me de minim say sao how ya aba in 2014 aba ya no pra no 2016 ya hu sa na ma no general election nti eno no mo ka say omo caution electoral commission ewo general election say we are seeing nti e be refer to general election me no mo enya dwensa because enye possible
elections kitwa we put na sebie so sebie nya yetimi go through such a how much more that's I'm going to call it because enye a whole general election
enye kitwa so wo hwe a assembly election kwa na ho hye kwa do so say general election
like seriously
because general election say your friend say president in assembly president presidential election and parliamentary election
but this is what this is assemblyman and of course unit committee in terms say 222
yo kohwe nipa assembly especially unit committee no ho abato no and on just select nipa maako also select nipa maako 5
okay
on the ballot
okay
to mu wia ansa no ma select to ma sort sa nipa nyina automatic obdodo a omuti 55 obdodo a omuti nya adodo no
okay
ma be unit committee member and now look at number of electoral areas electoral commission what you say the center bia no na djuma nti ehun hye no enough nti na meka say also mo de seriousness wura mu no because no kwa ho adwuma no to me den say general election dey who say heat in the room because presidential and parliamentary in the heat no but who adwuma ye pass electoral commission ye adwuma dey assembly election no who adwuma na den say what I say
let me be sir doctor earlier on before you came in say our electoral commission lacking some logistics and Emma you who such petty mistakes during elections.
Oh, say me need to musa.
So then why?
Because electoral commission senior to me ya map on their man on juma dim. And say bibia here no. Na bibi here no so a omuka ho asem.
Okay.
Say ade say ni here o say dey. Ghana ha budget ya Ghana ban bia no entutu nase electoral commission budget.
Okay.
So mbenya o makade a de be yo mudwuma. Ne de ekoya. Me carry the authority because me former MP o free na me fa ne currency ona go for le baso. Na special budget the committee parliament no ka ona na one ye leader James Abonsu. James Abonsu ne that time leaders too no ne Haruna Idrisu ona na a chair o ye co-chair no ye o deputy but now more shadow ninti no more or less no na adwumani anyina enti o na special budget enti yisi ba konkwa de say frage ne sa
Omam kaka
on na o your budget okay enti on so budget de on the buyer
ne ya approve ya
bibia dem ne budget na omo enkeka
enti total on serious
sa enti also and before election electoral commission ma eti asese ma ya hoboa wan complain bibia
enti e de na ma ye hu di
enti na me ka say serious na bi o ma anfa nche na me question kwa mbusa me ho me nya answer bia me nya electoral commission pani bia me busa nse assembly election say no musi o mo hyehyɛ ho dwumadie bia no da district no so ana
okay
me ka electoral commission office district no ana say regional office ana say national ana I take over.
Okay.
What I say? Say district in the any electoral commission one count. Say regional electoral commissioner no one can region so. No one could kind of the assembly election be emergency. So back last election crown. Need to Michelle I'm say postponing. On the course here 2018
before.
Make last year and last election.
Okay.
Last 4 years.
All right.
I just said I was say a year 2018. By the time we were 2019. Man to me Antono 2018. Oh, on the
matter say.
Enti I was say omo hwe omo dwuma die ne wo we omo ahokeka no na e wofo. Na minim say enen so. Say na omo nhye mu setie no. Say omo man timi a anto lecture areas man timi anto no omo ye nhya omo astant say stadia ne ye kaza kwa bi omo ahyase a omo anti o say equipment no we do omo ntimi en company bibia say equipment na ngodu ho a na dodo na ato wi because offer percentage na be 2% bi na ntimi a anto anti say 2% equipment ho omo de be bibia wi omo print bibia nfi say omo ye bibia wi a omo to waso bi na ekoye say ya ya na hadwu omo ye heat ya na ebamu
the heat in the benya ben
esa hadwumo so bi kwa na electoral area no yenko president krase ya ho de yenim obiai bon say o minim we nti ma anya de am nko support we say na no na de heat na de ebeba nti di manu esi no na ye catch electoral commission say enim minim de minim say
okay
o ha wo munya wa na de betimi translating into a general election. To your mom far away so and share omuniama and so esa no more my anu nya omu e bia ne se papa ejina ha
enye omu yesa na yanu munya omu yesa o man ni nyina because you can't tell us say elections are akwaye no you have issues and you know the government do not know whilst your budget has been approved to you have everything Ghana ha still cannot perform.
Ghana ha
senior was will perform here. That's really bad.
Ghana ha ekua omo ball electoral commission achi pa eye NDC fo ekuo nso a omo support electoral commission dwumadie e NDC for
sana na mo so mo position amoye
dabi ye de ne ye no ohu na ye ma electoral commission alternatives because so what since 92 electoral reforms bia ya ye wo ye electoral adwumadie bia MPP ne propose ni nyina okay so what can out na ye to aba etugu enua box no yeah ye ne ye ka say ye corporate transparent we see ye dey buy ye na biometric ye dey hwasem buy ye na register ye nsesa na ye ntofo ne dey hwasem buy na anu ya kura de di mu akotene kura ye voted register ye nya ye papa afajan akotena ohwemi ye papa afajan akotena court e ka kire say ampa agitum ze ampa ye voter register ndie ahofo wom voted ni nyina hwasem ye na ye propose ye ma ye screen hwe de esa nwanwa wo mkwan se ye koto aba 2016 ye koto aba ni wie no wo hwe ye presidential candidate a number of difference o di wini president and what so they were mahama they over 1 million votes
all right
but 2020 yes no ni opposition yes say have register we no ha wo
okay
eti empeto say efofo o say ejina ma say gaga dia to aba ni wini nka yes o mo da ya nya pure o mo to bu ya tutu ya ni nyina ye ho demonstration oh let my vote count voter register ni ade ho asema ni kan na ye wa ma ko tutu ne ayi bomb wo ba manfo ahwe yen wa
yo yati
omo paper
you Kwenchi Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the MPP. Of course, my second topic I'm going to tackle 7 minutes after 7 a.m. Yeah, live on Facebook, Koowaa TV, GH, live on YouTube, Koowaa TV, Samdaku's initiative, Samdaku's TV, so you streaming live or NTA, subscribe to your channel, and I like your page, and I comment, and I share, now for front, so enye bi and share. Well, yeah, share here and the review say abanya betina so I think it's 7 solid years now. Yeah, last this year in normal a course wa a maximum for it's happening like womo chiro womo kasaye ade we dia moye o we dia ban ka ye ni say ya nke be boye ni adade dia ban ye ya eye me question you dia ban ye ya eye a eboa Ghana ai wo se ye boa ban na baso ena dia ban ni ye nso a enye ame ya kasabra abisi sabrin ene die isusu se e wo so ye 2024 se na ba ye ho be harry ma fa instate me sweet Dr. E.A. Morrison Esano doctor you have 10 solid minutes to watch your time.
Thank you. I'm fine ma once me there member any there me dis pepe oh ma dey tell say before me ba eno no so no briefly ma me touch on the million and the akaye.
Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes extra.
Also what can SMP efa electoral commission ya or CNDC for ye ni nani nya nine ye tete no ni ade so hwe ye ka ye hwe electoral commission adwumadi a wo mudi wo Ghana hanu se ya sa electoral commission ya o mabai agent Mensa ne Francis Dr. Francis Bosman mo mabai o madwuma nso ani wo ko ka yes yen kan sa hwe ye kwoto aba the last elections 2020 elections 8 people were shot dead. I was touching my
day again.
So, I was touching my till date. You didn't know Mubia and she will be unfan Kujina assembly. In case you fear electoral commission for Koya and the Yakwa by election, I was West Wogon. I was West Wogon by election Keku. A boy broke Ghana for the sort of intimidation you 2 or 2 years. MPs there papa or masum. And then you can edit now and say, I said, yeah, let my vote count for. Huh? Has he forgotten what happened at I was West Wogon? Mr. Okasama, Mr. Wa. Let me just say, okay, I'm away. I can you. Mr. Wa, Mr. Okay? Send you here. So, and me, I am in the say 2020 about your 2 years, so for man to about the under this same error commissioner. I mean, my friend error commissioner, Crampo. Yeah, electoral commissioner, error commissioner, error some
I give you names so.
It is clear. You are going to about my whole four electoral areas, and me on Trabani.
They didn't get representation in parliament.
Okay.
4 years now, but you control about for you. So, yeah, car, Mumpesa, Mubasi, that kind of natural woman, Umbe, the last general election, 2020 general election, you were here in this country. Results were born 3 times with 3 different figures. Oh, my we see for the first time in the history of this country, BC pay. But under this era commissioner, Jean Mensah and Dr. Franz Bosman, who declare elections results 3 times with 3 different figures.
Are you saying
so? Mami Bra, so Mami Bra, I'll give you figures about what the Bible contains. So what I say, and so Lady Diane, the person make a cuisine and some person may use me time be wasting was a same way. But the person make a cuisine and say this electoral commission should up his game.
Great.
If this is part of the grand scheme they have put in place to rig next year's election, sir, then they should come again because some of us in the Ghana for any other break. So if they dare to rig this election, sir, look, Jim Mensah, you will suffer for it.
The easy person election, election no more yantoy, abani yantoy.
These are the SCCC. These are Obika. Yes, when actually they call you debate messy.
Okay.
Young person, you see SCCC and it be says CBU. Some you mean I can edit here. One when you have to nabu. Into one who how be a diablo. But me say abandonment me on to be. So now on your mind, I'm meeting much. After na me free hand me say be a come free as was a come koye majumon. Me say free hand me say as I go back. Oh, me say go back to my electoral area. Kodi lie so abakoto aba. The sort of inconvenience. I did play school for I am holiday say omunkoto aba nyina. This incompetence error commissioner led by your friends Jean Mensah and Dr. Franz Bosman mono. Why are they doing this to Ghanaians? So they should sit up and up their game. That said, no. Which you are now Ubisa say. The year under review.
Yeah.
A day ben a buy way a year. Yes, you say a year. I don't know. Oh, there's some to your boom compo committee. Say, a dear pan a buy way from 1st January to 21st December. Who say, if you say, be a boy Ghana for my higher. To be honest with you, meaning there's always my car can be. But me, who a dear potty, by we say, I hear dear what say me, yes, I do my Ghana for 1 hour. Me, yes, I do my Ghana for cum. Oh, yes, you can say, I want to appear. Just say, be say, or Ghana, how you see, no. Me, yes, I do say, my Ghana for 1 hour. Me, who will be a sir? Name policies or the Babontini, every step will take it, step I will take care of the Ghana for air him feather. So, and media, so bizarre, I dare ben a buy way, Ebuama Ghana for a high. It's zero. Absolutely,
there is
zero. Nothing.
You can't see anything.
Oh, we have a market, be a chance. I mean, only 2 of my him. You see, what will be a enemy there, you can, you would also be a you can wait my catch me. At the phone, I pray for a omun kanche say o Kufuor do Dr. Boromia ban omu bayi omu de omu timi aye omu ye ABC afi we say mu na XYZ afi we say mu nti na aboa magana for sebi we say yesika sem na enya no say yesika sem no ye kakra ye anisa we budget omu de beto abonti ye Kofi budget omu de bayi oh more taxation so to Ghana for sebi o ye say enne koko krampo no nkuta 5 cities awutimi num koko no to na sade yesade ebeto yeso say yensa metu ato ma sa ban we say yesika we botom nyina san na say de o ma ye ne say ye ma wo so a ya pagya wona akofim na otiwe soro ye wo so say akwan na aka wo botom no efifiri gu na ban na tesa na ye ja wo ne yeko so me I don't know all the policies or the aba nyina your policies the Ghana for kwa hoyehiem ma Ghana for who refi your friends enkran mountain so obi ko full light your friends high tension cable e esum also committee suicide aden o mind mo aden won timi biem
no mo aden a committee suicide na bibia
so,
kama
you know it got to some point now the person couldn't take it anymore
so he has
to be able to feed to put body and soul together and cry I have problem
As if any would your friend in so that is not to say I'm encouraging anybody who's going through hardships on some quay uncle to an mobisa. But make them best and calculating I buy when you Ghana for home. And some day I will catch a Ghana for or Belgian simpies will pay 2 million. And yes, I didn't and a year. So, and to me, if you ask me this question, lithium deal by and lithium on Vima and who abana and who I din, Nibo I din a cry chance alcohol and as a good. Because of an lithium electric vehicles now, Yadi Yentino, and then lithium and one banana. And come in who is saying, can we hear Ghana for your community? And Uncle Pone, this idea actually we actually think a young fast lithium ways or any of the infant fees are or how him. Sorry, yes, Minister of Natural Resources, Abujina Posse. Omuni Australian mining company, no sign deal now. 13% pay. 13% to our farmer and a Ghana for you being free deal him. Abrofono fa 87% woman fan Kumuku. Na Ghana, ye na the any and coupon who you mobo abra who you come. What is idea we have the center? Young fast ideas you free your home. A banner side of Agoche. Without it, Abrofono. So Abrofono from 87% Ghana for it, had me see. You know how you know, you from 13%. How can you sign this kind of deal? In this day and age, the economic value of lithium per year, meanwhile, Ghana had say. So who here now was about the 2 to Ghana for say you tour because of mining wide, you tour near from Wabai. Yes, sorry, that's sorry, and I say you can put it. I if for I say Ghana Revenue Authority, or more, I did it one of them almost what do you see? I didn't know my Ghana company be a sign deal said, or more this car. Just technology company needed Ghana Revenue Authority come technology in papa, and so every year their company they more $100 million US. I TSS ka we just yes I think you be sha so you TSS ka we am nwa you be cost we deal ni as you say you be 10 years and you be TSS ka na dia ma o at the end of the year why are we doing this to this country so timamu force car you jeje the simple and capre kai for abaya do my for teacher for nurse for oh my salary I tete kakra say you dey your mind you Ekodu Ghana Revenue Authority or map, you almost this can here. And due to my room now, would you have to compare? No, yeah, because yeah, I'm also buying this car here, now buying a minor effort anymore. And yes, I'm this car. Won't you yes, car. $1 million will be up for telling past you. And when I can use a few money. So, hi, a few money see. Voter dam spillage here by this year. Ghana for him. They are buying into an amobia, just a winner. Dam here spill into no. I must have for ye Juma. I say, oh, you know my offer a man can do a 3 year by Eastern region, part of Eastern region. And then I buy a boss for Ghana for it was Eastern region, the water region, which regions for nothing. We didn't see anything. So, and so to me, by and large, maybe our hands if you which market be actually, maybe I can bit market be actually. But to me, by and large, this year has been a calamitous year. We say they didn't make the very one. And then I made a silver Ghana for. And I buy away the that's how before them who a problem for delegates Congress in you bisa no a journalist and say training in Kubisa and say CTFM journalist in Bisa and say oh you guys say Ghana for is to say on my idea na a day now kind of day now we are found response for the my journalist was I Ghana me wide on my idea now no one am when I didn't some oh what's that one say Ghana and white oh Over Mama Lucy. Oh, said, your kind. I'm over him. So, say, you get to wine wine. So, it's here, try the next president. So, Baba, be a feast out or how. Over him. So, be mouse answer. We are on another sitting president too. We are sitting president. When yet, we are having open by Mwaba. We are sitting president. That's it. Oh, now you do what demand penny say, na tutu ye and you may mind. Who can say, young train the next president? No, or bow, never be yet gone a year. In essence, no, what is he telling us? It's because we say, my mona, no, chairs only don't mean my mona didn't say what is so quite. What Yakatuka is just there and being called His Excellency or Jenny Samba. And one here, no. Because that is the response he gave. That's our response, no, the my. Become no, and now soon, a website 22, and now soon, now betray. What I say, who can solve my 2 minutes crack and bring me a rebuttal? Who can solve my 2 minutes account? Also, so, until my penny, I just to myself, I'm not in him. No, try the next president, I'm going to be here from my or how near one can say, but 2 moon. So, it's a gentle, I say, yet Tanaka say, I have to wait, wake you, my penny name. Mina can diminish up a body to the market. But on penny name or no someone on crime like that, we said, be uncle. Ghana for never 4 monkey. Sana Penica was he untrained the next president? No, Ramatu to never you feel. It immediately said, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama 24-hour economy, no one has and worker. And only the game changer I have boy next 2024. Oh yes, the 24-hour economy and only the game changer. There are other policies about support. Oh, I'm afraid, but they say there are other policies. There are other policies. It is still not time yet. We have not even started campaign. You just started campaign. What I say? You running mates, and there is a whole year to the general election. And when you have to but this is just the tip of the iceberg. The bigger and greater things are coming. Oh yes, I'm one idea of seminar on one casa. Yakupo for so no man true CTFM journalist and Yakupo for so money. Yes, I had great confession. Maybe find the great confession. Oh yes, I had the great confession. I'm one idea the same. I'm very much.
Mame, 4 minutes will do electoral.
Like 2 minutes for them, I have 4 minutes.
Then, on the electoral commission. Okay, I don't know. For the last time you mentioned, okay, I said, because there are certain things you can't.
Okay. Okay.
Senator Dr. Election violence. I say election security. The Electoral Commission. And you really mean no step is that how where One General Secretary. Now your friends mo chairman. I catch say why in the country catch Ghana.
Yeah, the job papa ma when because court no ekwa no. Na court no just to energize your base. To show them say yeah they didn't show their party. 2 court no ekwa no. India one says so yeah say on say what else? edu tani mu nyina akọ court a na wo pese court e ka hye wa se bi ozo ya na wo de wo ka ta bia udi ka o court e de eti eye court na mu ko waste ya time enu da nten ya to aba nipa item nti electoral commission me kada bia se NDC for no omo supporters so mu di obi ti se doctor mo anu achi dia da bia no mo ne soja for ne police for benya asem o election because me security personnel na me mo ban enhwe electoral college mo na se na se voting dia na wo no be jan no me be kontokwa o be kwa me kwa akode o me doctor no omma etifie egu Dubai ni ade na wo di omo na achi na akodi ne ma ense fata ne se ukọhwe wo kwa wo de kwọhwe electoral commission na do kwọhwe aban wo teso eye futu na wo se mutu omo pose election ne de enu wi bia no ti ya wo kan se 2020 election mo ma na wo che omo general deputy general secretary wo se so wo ko police ya ko to ba pati ka hye wo fasi ka isho ohu enu bi naza na ba ni po interview mu na ada ya ba akoto no so o ka isho ada o ko kuma ya se mo kan wo mana kan tra wone fa me kuma digase na ta interview wo mana kan tra se wo sa zi mo ni pare di no ma ya so na ya so wone fa me wine wani mo ni o ba ya oh any station in D yepe na why di what's why the car na nga pa kuma digase since na general say the wo ni ww on what's one on show so this ni be interview no me say mo deputy general secretary Mustafa wani to the Mustafa wan oda ni kan no rifa okay so panic o kuma secretary program for ewo is it okay look at that's why you only allow him to make his point. Obi ame bobo tim kan ma boy interview be e ko so nyanya actually ni go interview nyanya o ba video one you go ahead the time what I say eti who inside ta ni me nyana say wo out wo udi ni Mustafa na ba don go nyana no one o go nyana police no ko to from and I mean by election for so kuma abenti bi fi aso ase point to about 1 year hwe no be dia wo ko to fa o obi e no o direct na yama media forever join mpi emusu mpi na to aba to ni ta wa e di sa wu be di za ze wu no na ko pa na party no o ko na ta ko na ro ko ja ba yan wo budget eti media afutu am de mind this is supporters say dan what is it to aba ama BP ni bia company say ni supporter me wu da we because I am an avant tie mo de mo man panya ka tell say we were born out of revolution and answer at the just na dey wo mo de ntimo ya just am de mo fa na kwa the revolution as it da ri ba ko na say omo time no use that for revolution e tutu asa ba ko na ya ka tell time no use you kan ana ka wa me na me ka that's go ahead of me na do kan so say at just am de go ahead in the trouble fuma go ahead we the trouble fuma o ba ko say police for no e do de just am de omo fa na kwa and no do ko kan boot na boot one no eti mu is ati mo nkofo na against the electoral commission am ko jan ko di ba se na se soldier for so na say no the tama na ko fi mu ko do won janje ko bo we the doctor my educate you electoral commission security for election where is education electoral commission I said yes sir what is over security I say what kind of bullshit what you say onu awareness security man for do mo ye adwuma what you say what is this me ka dey ni say what kind na bullshit ka kontompo doctor ba me nwie so say wo kasa na ba bi hu ka me bo awu ka je say wa na ubisa wa ba na kasa ubisa ma 17 na me ba mu Samo jele mo kleti eti yenu anu ya this for mo nka no so na mo mundi o mo chi ko abatwe ye ne ahuhu ye better TV so no din ko mai ka ye na doctor me na to ba za bo mu ni enko
I know
nti se wo tan ba bi na se wo no wo be kan odin de ensem wo kan achi na akoye ne ye na se o chemi ko hwe wo kra ebi kra na wanti mi ansisi wanti mi ansisi
we dey obo awu ya na
wanti mi ansisi o huye na eje mu ko dam bio nti hwe tutu wachi na ye ne etre e wa batu
no
da na de na doctor ko na ye wonwa se doctor be ka je ozo ndi wu hwe ya
na so hu hwe
from Amaso ozo wu ne mapa bia from Amaso ebesi mo inform from say police station for all from and
o de kasa
ebesi o police station for so o mo nyina ashan tab space nti gba pe no ko so Ghana ha o be hu da
o mo shen tab space
mo na mo nyi tab space no na e
o say na do say the next government e be Ghana ye na Ishanka Ruade say enye o mampania wotimi paam e ka chere man for say ye wo ha wo
amammo na jinisem
what I say ye wo
he didn't say that
because penifo say so hu yare a na onya no anu andu for the to Ghana for no ma an share na chiu e de to ha nyina to Ghana enti say ye rama ha mo betwa nto che Ghana fo a ye ka chere say dun so e koso enye light no ahode ni ahode ni wo ho na emu scare to crude the power
any
machines na ma generate power any o se da bi da like say bi na otu futu oge ni akofa aka beto yeso what you say no na ko for that time aka check gan for say ye how you woman apagana for di ho dance say before that how we nyina ban Ghana oba form am na mamu net na he na ne ye ko until say or how ebe pi na enipa no interview president obusa na specific question say or how would you say wo hoi ene mra akai mbetimi ahihye bibia wie ansa na afia ko na wie o say awiem pa MPP next government will come and continue what no media mo kwa mo
so kan
some dem mo babia mo dem mo yi mo kan o pa ko
Ken
what's one interview
so kan
one interview
Ken
if you say station interview
you see don't digress
he's not diverting the issue
don't digress from the issue at hand
me fashion it that's what I'm saying say issue that you allow him to make it point. I'll give you
he's been untruthful. That's not what the president said. He just signed a president Kai.
President
he should quote verbatim what the president
so
said.
The president Anka say Ontiminti Sebi Nyado. Was it the next government, the next MPP government or
the next president? One can say
let's put it this way. If Shoka said the next president, he believes strongly say his predecessor like
the next government. The question was specific.
Whether the question was specific, now Waka say next administration and next government Twaswa.
Was it the next president will get out of the woods?
Great.
Those words, exact words.
Now I want to make it so short for you, sir.
What I say? Which means that he is just a lame duck president. He's sitting there doing nothing. Meanwhile, he's getting paid.
He believes strongly that of mobile breaking age or no believe we say on breaking age.
No. Don't merge this breaking the 8 years. 7 family can wait. Wait, if I'm making the 8 Mumbai. You push out a woman or your man penny. And your man quay your mind. And then we are found.
Doctor, I beg you. Or no say in what way you have the belief say with the 24-hour economy that his former president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Adebano, will help him to win the election.
Absolutely. No two ways about it.
Great. That is how you believe. The same way His Excellency Adam Kwekufadu believes say fine. So no maybe you went to me and you believe so makes me a breaking 8 no with this government again. So even if say a nipa yeah let's not say
because me person you can or can papa once or person or dodge question now
maybe sana man
person on country Ghana for and my papa na buy na Ghana for
country
on no we need the mogu
okay fine
one can my papa na buy na Ghana for in 2023
let me just ask me help me do my job
now come here
Kennedy sweetheart
now who say ade ba kwa ya no say when bit say Dr. Beba programs na wo di bu be ma na be na time am na kan nsem a adi ne ntro ne nsem a na wa e din aka na waka nyina awie na se be wo so
na de no wo no
manjoi na nso me do to ni nyina o metri mu bi o kan na me ka bia ono so
dog
mo se ha de no e mugu esa na ha
ni ko
asefo na o
ko time
ntina na dan kwa ku for da ka che se Ghana ni agogo we are not in the normal time
great
Ghana for the one dance be fa o me be du ni pempen so na e ko e wiase nyina ka che se Ghana we were the fastest growing economy at time what I'm saying na indicators bibia no ye come
yeah
now we were growing fast as at that time and now COVID a be boom unaware unplanned into be say we are seeing plans na Ghana so can see ye free COVID mo na Ukraine so e de be hwe money Russia and as I say other plans in what I say then nsusuan so a COVID de ba ye na ye nyam fimu ene nsusuan so a Ukraine ene Russia war de ba ye ebe ma ewiase nya patrol boy edin all man ti UK at a point any US na Ghana fu e ton ni bo from say America ni US ye program ye nya bito na UK asan lie
okay
ekoto fu but ni nya fu e ton ebe say ewiase nya sikasem dollar etim over take pounds ni nya si owiase o for pa no mo ya de for mo bom achi o mo hu mo asen kwa za ha ono to wo e ma onya nzo
okay
Messi 2021 many are by free US back
oh menu ya si kan ya ba ma ban ni ye ma Ghana 2023 na
obaye no obedi 1 month I was call back many dey come catch them as any dey go no supermarket what them no me say there what say ken adia last year me ba December me ba na ya tono £20 no $20 dollars no
okay
remember I told $60 when we own in the city
sure
American inflation issue too because of COVID ne Ukraine war it's in Ghana yeah but it's be say abandon to any plans and man dey ku am ye nyina na we say yes sir we shadow yeah plans yeah and na dey how bread Ghana ye di tum say Ghana 2022 there ye kwa ho papa na ni nyina ebi so kan ye ni aye ho
okay
ye no ye contribution enso be kan ho na pese o kan bibia na
David
ye contribution e be kan ho because he say samra nipa adua ni ye die anwa ye tono 4 million that time na okobrane
eno na nka me be kan na mantimi aka so ntwa so
na okobrane e ton no
na ye na fo no si
friend say 30 million any 10 million ya de oh ama maami bia so be kai abant madwum no o supply anwane bi yesi ni ku ye so dwane afi omo de komo omo penisika ya hodo anwane agudem adan ya de twebo no tietie mu anu hu ze nkrofo mu twatwa mene bo de bre wo mo no because that no de mom say 3.5 so no ma ton 400 ne ho
okay
oh okobo nu ko ma ne no di soldiers e ba na wo de no ma de bi ma obi betwigu abonte ne bo ndonkom normal price o se to no mu so bant madwum what you say enti wo hanu de enya bi na emom nchira nka ruade say o ha wo fa mu 2022 na this year no abafo so kai america na ye dollar etu o kai fuel price america na eko o kai inflation america na eko in 2021 but in 2022 na me adom say na na da kokofo do ka che say nim kwan be fa so be hihya ma ye tika
o hihya ma na ye fa
hihya ma na e hye ni bi de say tigesi e so da ye reba omia doctor
okay
e kan kire say ye dollar no a e koso no o ha ba ko ne esika na esisa na bebie de ko fa fuwe ne ba beto
all right
en na ma fuwe ne bo ne koso en na asa ma dollar no so e sa adwane tan sa na tie de a ye mfa fuwe ne bebie no ye mfa dollar ne bebie ne koto fuwe ne mu de be ne say
okay
ya gudi e wo ye gold na ye aban ga na aban de ewo mu no ye mfa no nkoye enkoto fuwe no eti emfa gold na ye equivalent to dollar na ko se de koto crude no yemfa no nko yemfa kwaje crude no ye yes I heard dollar ba bi e no do and you wonim say sa 30 for ya boy abaso say the whole Ghana and Africa and outside the world ye nya ye sidi no and ahode na timi sustain the longest period you see
enti mabo modern
enti yes enti say de na atwam no enti enema ejiraye ye ka se ye wi o enema ye koso no MPP abaye ye fari o Ghana for suguye so na edada ndisi for no say Ghana for ehia wo edada ewura mahama no omo suguye so because expectation no
na e o ha
endoso Ghana for nim say dan me de manusi no Ghana for nim say MPP de betimi aye no enye no ne yeye enti mo ni abre ye so no wacha say ati akola wo tre na de yanim say akola e ball ho mode na edu ba bi na hu say wade a wo pese wo ye no wontimi ya na say wo class wo na opena mo supervisor aba na ye busa wo chade e man kola yi ano no ya na ajo say omfi e ba say man class na ayede enti enye say Ghana for hu say MPP abon we ndimi mu amano obi say betimi bu more than that na ka option no way
thank you so very much
any 24 hours here busa hey ya mo de bo o say be Robert an won
o so ka bibi and I don't say me
ko interjections
okay so
okay asema menu Kennedy e kai we say free mahama so be si me so na NDC for nyina so onudo susu say ye table space enti ne mapapa ko so ba mu nyina no say bi producer ye de wuru bi na me sina da huruma o mu waye na ko nyi table space into for mai na ne mapapa o mai ama Ghana afa na tuma pa frei nko mu kan na ke ye hu sie hu bi so bretintin ya o de ma menu Kennedy o de ma menu Kennedy bi de minim say o te dia o ka ba ko pa ma o te ya wanka he said so much he ended up saying nothing otimi kan ne pa ba ko say 2023 MPP aban ene pa no emu ba ko ni we otimi kan
so kan
ene asema kan wonchi o de ntabo na sa na so
o de ka tire o de ka ene pa no ka tire am very ma o de o ka tire me ene pa no ka ene
oh my god don't fight
o say me interject na o de me ku but o say me interject me
mama doctor
me can the previous years ye na ko so ye ye di afi
exactly
o say ye wo na me say o wa bi won trade you say de me kan na ye onwa am very ma ampo o ma ye so ntina wontimi ntie de me kan also you see that he said also I kill me yinta me I kill oh ba mbe say yinta bo de wo de yibonkum
o kasa me be mu kakra bi atie ko na we phone do kan you
5 minutes oh
my doctor do your rebuttal
I'm very ma me say woman ne mre bebre so won kan ne pa na ban na ya ne Ghana fa no ntuma pa fra
so won ka bebre
won ka bi kire bo ba ko pa kire mo ma
say no nyakopa da roma se ne na enuoma city no ente sa
eno ne pa no ma ye ne mu ba
na fuwa no na e wo soro ye na di ho adanse ene nyakopa
na fuwa no wana de course
nyakopa da roma o de we want to just summarize everything
and intina me kan
fuwa no wana pe
number 2 Osaka say yeti ha Sebio na oil ehuriye pa
why na man ehuriye why na man ehuriye eh no musi yambo emusem mo musa o mama oil ebo aba from yambo musa why na man ehuriye
eba aba from and these are some of the things sir na Ghana for expected say MPP government today the expectations was very huge and we are really getting what we were expecting.
Anyway, you know, I will pardon my brother. I will pardon my brother because of say,
what your assessment here? One here be free buy.
Interjection in yados.
Obeda who say improvement about.
Interjection in yados. Me say me nua me pardon because ono no obi kai ono no be damage control. E wa hase. So, ha o ma pani na mu age atum say amamu na age the same too. So that's fine. That's okay. The great confession, ya tie free no rankasa na no. Ndi de me nua Kennedy bit ma ye wa ha na say obe damage control. What you say? So it's fine by me. But the other one is Okase, Okoka, Russia Ukraine war, Oka, COVID. What's an mystery? What's Oka has an mystery? In case he has forgotten, when we came to power 2009, led by Professor Mills, we inherited the 2008 global financial meltdown. What I say, we inherited the 2008 financial meltdown when President Koowaa was in power, and then 2009 company felt the pinch most. What I say,
number now is Ghana do me the income
status.
Me no can. Ana mbaka je Ghana go no.
Onse o kasa me bam kakra bi no. O ba tie for na we for no.
That's the kan you. Me timi that time be 5 minutes. Oh, kwana kasa.
That's
the point I'm gas of Ghana host.
We inherited
Sweet Kennedy.
the 2008 financial meltdown. So in case he has forgotten, 2008 financial meltdown we crippled the global economy. That's what we inherited from President Kufuor.
Alright.
And when President Mills complained a little, say financial meltdown, you remember what then candidate Kufuor said to President Mills the late? What he saying? Opportunity, Professor Doolittle, fix it. Professor Doolittle, fix it. Inti na mbetana mi friend Boromia na umpene ya no. Who friend Professor Doolittle, fix it. One fix the economy. Today you are here sitting here complaining about COVID. You are complaining about Russia-Ukraine war. In any case, so Nima may catch them. The COVID was a windfall to the NPP government. One can't come as but they have 30 billion Ghana cedis. Misspent that money through their corrupt deals. Almost shares as can chedi. Hey, I know now. Former Auditor General Domelevo Kokaya, you want to consult on cotton fee. He should proceed on accommodated leave. What do you say? 30 billion Ghana cedis na munya. Mudi size can hear this. Size can when kebet my boy economy na my economy na general now. Mudi size can mudi size can di. What do you say? So they shouldn't tell Ghana for one country Ghana for say Russia Ukraine war ne COVID nama ahochira ba Ghana han say it is due to their incompetence. Economic management team no can one say where is it today? Dr. Boromia say on where ja economy ni hono our economy no PhD wo mu no o doctorate wo mu no we ja to hono mu and one nam friend say digitalization. Me na can dey betina say this is the second time he is questioning my academic credentials. If there is anybody he needs to question the person's credentials, it should be Dr. Boromia. He has a PhD in economics, and today he is running away from that PhD, going into the digitalization, where he doesn't even have a first degree.
Okay.
What do you say? No, me. And in case he doesn't know, Russia-Ukraine war now can't watch them. It is a blatant lie from hell. Where? Russia-Ukraine war, it is still ongoing. And I'm Miss Ohima, one interject me now also heckle me, and I just say, most of some say, Tafra Beton Kukumunu. Oh, where? In case he doesn't know, make catch them. Russia and Ukraine war now. Russia and Ukraine or money or Montoko Mokono Crampono. And Yamati Timpasam is said, Yegan, you Ghana hand seen. Almost like something I now so.
Who don't go to Russia and Ukraine?
None of what we was it.
Just what the Ghana got to.
None of what we was it.
Alright, thank you so much.
You mentioned them, you are drawing the comparison. And when I also touch on it, you said maybe the idea. I want to my medium and so Nima. Inflation rate over Ukraine is 7.1%. Inflation rate over Russia is 6%. Ghana has a your inflation rate is saying. You say inflation rate over Ghana I'm saying nti person chese o muko montokwa no. Ye kwa hu ye muche o muko montokwa na na. Sa o you can the person touch
0202668469. Mefa me call Sanope call me na yenko ye di nkomo won so bit made wadwenche edeba wo frame me na wo luwa television set no na kasa sebi na mat. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Hi, good morning.
Morning. Nana to saying.
Pacho nyame adom na onso e.
Make na go part me mama asmuna afixia pa.
Think committee.
Me tia bibia na go pon principal mu Ghana so. Me Ghana fa ntima pa. In front baby e we die. Me din. Your friend Kingsley or say Kesi. Because a free in crime and I'm in the say we give you sigan of free cheaper so program ni I am more dash I'm a South Captain Jesus program on a mama bring this station no be never producer ever ha damas Catholic MPP ni say so we know Ghana is so per country fifth inflation higher Ghana but so this our catch say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Ghana, Vice President, or Zimbabwe, the one economic team. We feel about Zimbabwe, the worst performing country the country was a one economy. On coming Kwame Russia Ukraine war, Ghana so da fu bianco kontokwa. Yensi sa Ghana gemi bianco Kosi Sagana petrol bianco. And so young countries to go ni Burkina Faso now. One country ni one corner was Ukraine one that's where she say Israel Gaza so the person I'm but other countries you know air cool and my year cran yama sebi one in chance on the DB go to a good crowd without Russia Ukraine one in chance you go to a good year crowd the baha can we not year crowd Omani na essay wow I tell you woman say na say year crowd official one no Oman penina jet to say I say period that I say it's a top of so you better so come out and people in the and to clean and pancakes and second of all abufu ana me try say October me wish to go be see Togo na so the for pick up no civilians itama na so the free gane and to offer na dey pa ida ana me tell say and Diana what mama we so your PP the next time over I say MPP teacher ampa because MPP ni make asa who get money can do pay in semi keke NDC in the canal bois who has said no idea MPP that one about there petrol MPP in the petrol negotiation I don't know if you also can that dying but that was it because Monsieur Madam Aisha midwife be at your betting bye
but please that's not how it is I beg you why me jai Dr. Mane Kennedy me jai eda me jai Dr. Manaka musimi NDC ni eda me jai yesimi MPP ni sisi pa mi rakese me nyede me ya dia make sa call me 0202668461 hello good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, Pacho. Didn't baby are friendly free.
Your family watch Prince. Make us a free Pachi.
Sure, me too. Watch it.
Morning. Hello.
Watch it too, Pacho. One uncle.
Me Pacho. Me pese MPP ni no. On ka say obi we say on ka MPP for timaye. Also to because what they cast yaba or the bet or the task was what the kono anybody be aba abu diaba so also can say san ne man or diaba and not boy abi ya Ghana for as I said scammers is a pa me your stock account
all right, thank you so very much. Why are you doing show? I come in 7 minutes now. Make calls to 668461. Yeah, call me. We're live on Facebook. Call TVGH. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Me patrol with my line so hello. All right, we need to know mommy for ready say Obe Kasano pay, so I'm still waiting for your calls. Call me 0202668461. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Papa and Pacho didn't baby are free.
Refer me and free bitching.
But I want to pay.
Yo, mama, I NBC for Yana. Minim emuja ya dewo na yefuna wo NBC for ayi omanpanyine Akufo-Addo say obey handover ama MPP ni akasha eno mo se ayasemboni na waka owoni da so say de oyo wiase aduampa na nishisha wo ntimi eni ntimi o se obey handover ama MPP ni ama oba betra ni bi medie so omo kan petrasem omanpanyin da Akufo petro mo se adwonwo no akofade da Ghana so ya beto abai be kono MPP lusu yi mo NDC na mo ya petrol mo de ekokoje busa kanani oto ya Ghana na ya refane ya petrol ni oil ha MPP fo kan sha to eka ode no mo nkire na ye hu kwankwa eka da so ana mo de petrol ni ani crude no akosi da bi sha ye kokoto ana ye de aba ebi sha petrol mo ha ye bia na Ghana ba no ho na be sha ha na be to omo so na NDC for ma me nim obi nyina mo gba ba kwa so ye fun ba ku na wo NDC for obi nyina yesem papa o so Israel na o kan
Sagana ya national bush in Uncle Israel, and who's so many, or my son fearful in Uncle Israel. Obi so yɛ MPP ɛno kura na wɔka no kura wo yɛ MPP no kura de wo na wɔka na me nyame nka mo ho yɛ adwuma me de nyame gam na ba me de nyame
akasmenum na meko all right call 020668461 you're live on Facebook Koowaa TV GH of course for
Hello,
good morning.
Come on, Mama Diane.
It's the same.
Simon Bayoni. Baseme Dafe. I'm come out so. Mama Diane. Better MPP ni say. That Ukraine and Russia for control. That COVID-19 aba. Na me peyin kimi yesa. We go plane galu afra. Let us say the timo pa on Ghana for ho. And say what you say ya aba na how aba. What to stronger how who Ghana for bobo the more no brain which mean a scar at the plane jale. I brought plane so. And the every before of man number so that. The way a memory the memory ever go find baba man go. The memory the no see the power na then personal. I don't know more from the Ghana. I'm man the ho shama for. But let's go. I brought SS about the one can prayer. That no not for who was man as I said, maybe I managed. I didn't give a president. That president was just coming nasty. What's just coming at table bush of war? Next president, Malala. Bye.
Bye. All right, me for last caller, and I'm about to bear pay up. 0202668461. Hello, last caller. Okay. 0202668461.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning. Last caller, I want to say.
Nyami Admo.
Mpacho hana mikase.
Mikase free in crime. Fancy odoko. Na obi abe free so free bechem. Na yete Ghana mwisi yanko Israel. Kache nse omai no. Yime yanto abama me yo odishie Ghana ni dishie. Minko Israel ko yibibia. Na so no obeso omai no kwetra Israel. Eya ono mi kanko because omai no na party na se no. Adam yeti Ghana hani asema ba ye nyina ya ho kire ani yeka. Wo fafu wa no to anyampia. Minko Israel sen. Enya me Ghana ni o no dishio. Me ye kwa ni dishie mapa. Papa na na kwa mwati at the point this year pa me free kwa ku be ase eti oba na okasa yi what omani mu akire what me kasa bibi mo make your mama be to aba mo se sebi o mani mu oyotani ye to aba ma no me pa to ba umia ba amantia efebe me no free ya ba TV so la se be ba ni kasa ya me kasa honke na wusie ni nipa sebi polifosu tie na ofi bechem eti o man ho kire enti no me pa me kotra Israel olu me be ma trapen olu mo kwa matu kwa me kase ga o mo mu ayedin ene sabi amafo kura ba nya ye kraba ga na ye enti ni kraba me semo amba TV so a mo ma mo kasa ho nte ye mu si sabi ye ni polifo ni tie me da wasu ni nya me nya ma baba
na onye wakoma swadi na emfa mo me fa ko bia evio mpacho yeko doctor
minyaba yeko no na mechia atiefo nyina afefo nyina o maya de o magyebre ahwe for this past 1.5 hours maya de na mechia ye regional communications officer Nuruddin Abbas Esquire the newest lawyer in town mechia no ho ye pa mechia Nuruddin misachia ye regional chairman na Kwesi mechia no atwamponua NDC constituency parliamentary candidate Honorable Stephen Yabua nchene bi so enkoma me krom hene na nata wota agyebre hwehwe oyipa na na wo hwa no pa ya mechia wo pa therefore mechia wo ye kɔ no so na Ghana fo yahwefo nyina mfanto yetrim se ye bompa ya ye mbo bi ma tikese ya so da ye pa Honorable His Excellency John Dramani Mahama 24-hour economy no de ba no the game changer no e ba be boa Ghana ama ya fa yento apa afura
yeah that on say menim say o ma na mo frɛ no mo ehwe program yi ya e ba doctor di one dance say emra o no anya o de kasa doctor say ni bi nti o mka sa na I say but e be ne de dan on sana ay kola bi e ka se president e tan play mu e ko Ghana ha no na yembu yemba ni ko tan play ko he America ni president America president to kwan ya ni nzu obenum kura ni bibia ne ka oba obetenam nyina e supreme level
me ka Russia Ukraine wo se me de Ghana compare Ukraine wo so de Ghana compare America
but o ma ne nkasa na ye
onu na ye bibi o me ka Russia na wo to wo hasem
me nka ma
onu ka cha me de Ghana o se me de Ghana compare Russia
allow him to finalize
oh he told me that when comparing Ghana to Russia
Doctor Oyasa me am very stubborn
Doctor
let me am 1 minute kwa unji ngasa let me do ma so di bu ma no
you interjected me and said that
oh eti the person on tia say se Ghana mampani etu kwan ya Ghana na oso bon kwa impo ye ro mahama onyo mampani oni dwuma bia ma oga o ma Ghana otu kwan ya Ghana na bon kwa na dwuma efo won office Ghana ntua no ka ni clean na nyina Ghana ntua no ka na nte so mampani no nte so na wo ye dwuma de ma o man no
all right
dan ye kwa mechia abusuafo
great
ma menchia me kro bodomase na men kanche bodomase fo nyina se brefi ene bronya she brefi na se
okay
homecoming yedi asante for tobacco dana na me nche dey kan brefi enti obia emra ye started 24th year till 3rd January activities be all right ye boama ko no pontu do kai first edition no bibia court nti na omo mrafi na ye mano
okay
na ya hwefo nso ye mom nyina official pa nyame ya dum next year
Ebusiafo ye kwa ne so D4 you for ba Samsung kwekwe ye wopa ye da sanso and Adori Favigo platform so ye beda wo mase executive producer for the show Rasam Darkus papa Nyakopo nshanu new fradomo and kwadomo. I personally owe lots from baby udimi free baby udimi abidru nipa ya dia osayi. I can't thank you enough for me fi baby cry ena wababeye me Diane Nyankopon me say onhraw na onye okesie papa menta hu eya ma me hu ene ma be hwe bronya no ibe break kina na ma me hu na me de me break na wotwe mo na
da be hwe me so me bi
no yo poni edi police capacity actually me be hwe doctor for yesi me yesi me ma ene mo ko Christmas no
me de o ma me
US no kwa mo ko hwe wo mo me ko tano so na
o ti asa je madam na no se je madam
me ko sugar ko pe
so program there ya da ko
enti no me dem nyina say production crew mabo adwuma me ne mo konkete na so ni nyina mu no the love is so deep. It's been amazing working with you famous the new guy Faisal and I mean munyina Nyankopon shawuchu no zo kwesi adumako junior munyina mabo adwuma Nyankopon onshram. We're hoping say 2023 be very beautiful. I stand to be corrected ochina bebe adwuma na pacho munkangu mashum famous ochina ye bebe adwuma na mi hu okay famous ye beba enti Nyankopon ya adma ochebe ye demo nyina se ye tie for ya hwefo ya min sham of course Dr. E. Morrison Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the NDC, adorable humble man ever, but I don't know why TV so and then that's fine. He's so adorable. Sasso and Amira Kennedy Kwenchi honestly so fantastic, so humble. Nekasa Lisa Mekachen say Bim Kakra or double consona or two bomb Nina Medawina Simdi Diane about 1 p.m. I shamu Kumasi 104.1 Kumasi Kwansu Jumetiano so bye bye.